On today's body cam, we're checking out officers give drunk woman countless chances before being arrested.
On June 1st, 2024, officers with the Des Moines Police Department working a downtown bar area shift saw two women arguing and beginning to get physical with each other, so they approached them to stop
Cat
any
fight.
further conflict.
Okay, now. You got a white versus black cat fight.
Do you want to go to jail? Huh?
Don't touch me!
Do you want to go to jail? I can touch you.
Don't touch
Get out of here.
Don't touch me!
Get out of here.
Okay, okay.
Out here starting. No, I ain't.
You want to go to jail? You'll go to jail right now. Go. Yeah, see ya. 2 seconds. 1, 2.
Oh my kid.
You're whack.
Sorry about your taco.
What is going on?
Walk key. You can arrest me
to go.
at 5 o'clock in the morning. Hey, say. At 6 o'clock at night. Look at her. I'm all right now,
My boy got a thing for the snow bunnies. He running down, huh? Okay.
Sorry about your taco.
He said, arrest me. I've been a bad boy.
What is going on?
Walk key. You can arrest me at 5 o'clock in the morning. Hey, say. At 6 o'clock at night.
I've been a bad boy. Arrest me.
Look at her. I'm all right now, Hey, what's the plan? What's the plan? We good. Well,
Stop talking to me.
okay, you can go to jail. No, don't touch me.
What are you doing?
Back up now. What is he getting rid of? What's he arrested for? There's no probable cause. There's no probable cause. There's no probable cause. You grab her right on. No, see, now she's standing in the phone.
Stop! He's taking me home! Stop!
Disorderly conduct.
Take my phone! Take my phone! Hold on, they're taking my phone! Where's my phone? I got it. You want them to have it? Yes! He's taking me home! He's taking me home!
Let's walk.
Okay! Stop running on me! Stop!
I want to see the timestamp. So we're at 1:37. I want to see the timestamp of when he told her to initially walk away. Because, let me see. Because it's like, all right, step off. 1:37. 1:30, like a minute. 1:35 here, almost going on 1:36 to 1:37. I mean, whatever.
There's no probable cause. Disorderly conduct.
Take my phone! Take my phone! Hold on, they're taking my phone! Where's my phone? I got it. You want them to have it? Yes! He's taking me home! He's taking me home!
Let's walk.
Okay! Stop running on me! Stop!
If you walk, it won't hurt.
Okay, but I'm going. He's taking me home.
No,
though.
if you want to come downtown and fight, this is what's going to happen.
I don't. I was in the store with her. Literally, the bitch came up to me. What do you mean? Did you get her?
Yeah, you're throwing your shoes, getting in her face,
No,
taking off
she
your
came up
shoes,
to me.
and then you don't want to leave.
Literally. This is what I'm saying. It'll make it worse if you keep walking up there like that. Can I just literally get some air? He's taking me home. That is.
Can I
You're
get
not
some
going home,
air?
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not. Come on, please.
I'm not playing these games with you.
I'm not playing games. Literally, I was going home.
It didn't look like it.
Outside, listen to what I'm saying.
And that's the big thing. You see the officer, he says, and it didn't look like it. And that's the thing, because I'm sitting here going back and forth in my mind about, damn, he only gave her a minute. It's a minute between, you know, him shooing her off and him locking her up. And I'm like, But when I look at the interaction that the officer had with the white lady, she stepped off, you know, and I'm like, damn, the black girl knows that she's supposed to be getting up out of there. Right. That's why when the officer comes and now he's applying that pressure, now she want to walk around the car and get inside the car when initially you should have did that. You should have got with your man, whatever, whoever it is, your friend, whatever, get in the car and go. Just like the white lady did. Listen, I'm about to take you to jail. She said, what? Me? You're whack. And then she stepped off though. She was gone. You didn't see her no more. That's the same thing that should have happened with the black lady, but they want to sit there and you know, still be there and he and Han, and it is what it is.
We saw the whole thing. Right, I see you downtown. I see you at King's Park. Literally, I seen King's Park. Literally.
We wanted you to leave, and you wanted to push off the other officer.
She came up to me.
And you pushed the first officer, and we let it slide.
She kept saying, "Oh, I'm this. Let me go." Bitch has fallen. Let me go.
People just want to be heard.
Come on, my hands are hurting. Give me a second.
Oh, you wanted to pull your hands out a million times. So.
Because she put her hands at me. What am I supposed to do?
We'll do interference while we're at it.
Because she put her... Bro, literally.
Please search her real quick.
I don't have anything.
I don't think you do, but we still have to search you.
But can he please just take me home? I'm not on no violence. She tried to mess with me. I swear to God.
Push the first officer.
Because he kept pushing up on me. That's what I'm saying. I don't have anything.
I'll have to pat you down.
Why aren't y'all listening to me though? Because she was.
What's your first name?
She listens to what I'm saying though. Please,
What is your first name?
please, literally.
To you, but what is your first name?
Hey, I'm Jasmine. Please.
Okay, Jasmine, I'd like to adjust your cuffs because they're messed up because you're flinging your arms around.
I'm not trying to, sir.
If I fix your cuffs to make them feel better on your hands, will you keep your hands behind your back?
I will, but please, can I go home? My
No,
twin
you're
was
not gonna
taking
go
me home. Why? But she kept coming for me, and they can vouch.
Go to the side here. We're going to go to the side of this van.
No, listen to what I'm saying, though. Please, listen to what I'm saying.
There's a room in there.
Damn, they got the whole... Yo, all the girls is getting locked up, man. They got the snow bunnies in there, man. Oh, yeah. You see, y'all can't control y'all liquor, man. They got the whole girl group in there, man. Look at this shit here. They like, oh, girl, come on, girl.
I'm saying, though.
My boy minding his business. Gone, man.
Please, listen to what I'm saying.
There's a room in there. Yeah, can you guys slide it down?
No.
Yeah, make room. Make room.
Step up.
I can't listen to what I'm saying.
Step up. Watch your head.
It's okay, girl.
Oh, it's you, hi. No. Listen to what I'm saying, literally. And it's no offense to you, but literally I was with my cousin. This white bitch tried to try me from oh, because I'm older than you. I got kids your age. Okay, and I know your uncle dad. Okay, and
Jasmine, how do you spell your first name?
just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Well, if you go up there under Jane Doe, you're not going to do it.
But
You want to stay up there
I'll
longer?
talk to them. I'm not talking to you. I'm
All right.
gonna make them
She-
regardless. Fuck you talking about? You trying to let me go?
Maybe she
Bye.
listen to you.
Bitch. And I seen her ass too at King's Park.
Where's King's Park?
Don't play dumb. No. Cause I got you on video on my phone though.
Doing what though?
Y'all, you was with the whole white woman. And she tried to run up on some kids and I got that on video too. Yep, when was that? I got you.
When was
I
that?
got you. I got you. It's not too many of y'all around here.
Where's Kings Park?
I think it's
Are y'all gonna go or what so I can make bail? Go!
East side?
Literally.
I think so.
That's crazy because I don't work the east side.
You know? Oh,
No, I don't work the east side. Okay, well you can go as Jane Doe then.
This must be one of the moments when they say all white people look the same. Yeah, she said it's crazy. I don't even work that side.
Bye, bye.
What's your name? You're gonna stay up there long.
Bye, bye.
You can.
Hey Jasmine, do you want to submit to a PBT?
What is PBT? What is that?
A preliminary breath test to give me an idea of where you're at.
That don't have nothing to do. I know where I'm at, sir.
I don't think you're. I know. I bet you do know where you're at. That has nothing to do with what I'm
Why
asking.
are you open this so I can see your name? Open this.
My last name is Eberthaus.
Open this though. Open this though.
I'm not gonna do that.
I'm in cuffs, right? Open this.
Why would I open?
Because you're trying to with me just like the other one, and you're in trouble. I have the other one's name. His name is what? Just something. I have y'all, and I have you
So
too.
do you want to submit to a PBT?
I have. What is everybody? Have everybody do it. Then have that white do it too.
I'm just asking.
Why? Because you're a redhead. Leave me alone. So we can go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Because you're trying to start with me. That's what you're trying to do. Bye. Bye.
This Jasmine something. She's born 2001. I don't care about her last name. Just put her in as Jane Doe. I don't give a shit.
Do you know?
I'm just gonna do the booker and do the case later.
What happened?
She's trying to fight some chick over there, so we watched it for a while, seeing if they were just going to break up. They didn't, and she runs up on him. She has to be held back 5 times, takes off her shoes, throws them on the ground, squares up. Like, okay, so we go over there. Bruckner tries to grab her. She rips it and runs. So we kind of let it slide, and then she wouldn't leave. So I go up there, and she's talking to her boyfriend, and I'm like, what's the plan, man? And he's like, we're good. Like, you can go. And she's like, you can get the fuck out of my face. And I'm like, you know what? I think we're done. So I go to, and then she runs around the car again. So I snatch her up, put her against the car. He comes up. Interference, disorderly public offense.
That's a pretty good memory of the events, because a lot of times when you see these officers replaying it back, they be missing some parts, but he was pretty on par with what happened, man.
All right, man. Step on out for me.
Damn, she's the last one, huh?
Don't fall, okay? Big step. Big step. All right, we're gonna come around this way.
Still crying?
This way. All the way around.
Okay, can I tell you all my name? I'm trying to make
Yeah. Well, we're gonna do it in there though.
And 133.
They're gonna ask you.
Okay.
She said. What's that?
Right outside.
Okay. Keep going. Loomis, give him another one.
We got another one.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's
We
okay.
got a Jane
It
Doe.
was already hurting.
Well, your legs aren't, so let's keep
I
on
didn't say my
trucking.
legs
Because then you'll get bonded out of here, and you don't have to stay any longer than you.
I got 130, 133. That's just a couple right there. Usually a shot they were transferred a couple long now.
You're having sex from your brow, dear.
It's not spelled the same way that you think. Okay. How is it spelled? Y apostrophe is the M-I-N. Y apostrophe is the M-I-N.
ZMIN.
I'm sorry, I just
What's your name?
It's okay.
Yours. Okay, so this is yours.
Any fever dry cough?
Here you go. Feel the spelling. Might be a
Have
little
you been
easier.
out of the country in the last 14 days? Have you?
it was already fractured right here.
Stop moving it, then it's gonna.
I'm trying, but it's so tight.
If we get through this fast, I can get us.
This is hers. That's dangerous.
She was then taken inside the Polk County Jail, where she was charged with 2 counts of interference with official acts, disorderly conduct, and public intoxication. If you enjoy...
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.